This is the Cobot 3D printer, Cobot 2. This is the 122 module, and a model of a 3-meter cube silo close to it. It's not actually the same size, probably it's smaller, and a mixer. But the size of the printer should be matching to the real thing. First, this is scaled down. I need to scale it up a little bit. Let me see the scale. I'll put it 1:1. Let me just move it to its location. Yes. So we can define the location and dimension, because we need to see will it fit or no. Should be more, yes, almost to the corner. Just add it here, and let me adjust the height. Yes, I think this okay. Okay, it should be around 5-meter height, 5.5, and around 5-meter width, and 5-meter the other side. Okay, and this is the printing area. This is the small module, the 122, and this is the mixer and the silo. I think it's smaller than this. I think it should be smaller than this, because this model I extracted not accurate from the internet. I don't think this is the real size. I will update that once I get the real dimension of this silo and the mixer. But the printer should be okay. As you can see, yeah, yes, this is how it will fit inside the lab. This is the first design, 122. Let me go to the 222. Yeah, this is the second one. It's a bigger size. It will take up to 7.5 meter from here. From this corner to this corner should be around 7. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. And the width should be around 5, if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. Yeah, I think it's correct. This is how it will be located, and this is the actual size of the 222 module. I hope it's clear. If we take the batching, either the mini batch or the MTech silo with the MTech mixer, it will occupy the whole area. We will take the whole area. I don't think we can keep this area, the left side, as is. We need to remove the whole thing from here, the whole stuff. But looks great. If we have another option to put the silo outside, let me just remove it. Yeah, this is the area of the printer alone, as you can see. It's huge, and I like this is the purple one, or the pink this color. This is the printing area according to the specification of the printer itself. If we change this to the smaller one, let me go to the smaller one. Sorry. Okay, this is the smaller one. You see the green area. The green area is around 5 meter by less than 2, 5 meter like this, and this side the width is less than 2 and the height is 3, around 3. Yeah, it is around 3. Yes, correct. So this is just for you to know the dimension of this printer in our lab. I hope it is clear. You are welcome here to join tomorrow so you can see yourself. It will utilize 1/3 the space of the lab with the mixer for sure. If the mixer is this area, I need to revise it. Concrete. No, not this one, sorry. These are the areas I don't need, the concrete area, yes. This guy, I think this should be smaller. A bit. Let's look at it from the other side. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Let me remove the printer. The concrete area. So now it's like this. Still the HoloLens cannot mask the building from the real thing. I think it can, but because I'm using the SketchUp viewer, so that's why it's still showing the printer behind the wall, but this is useful in a way, so I can see it fully. It's huge, it's nice. It will reach up to here, which it will block a little bit. It will take a little bit from the path, but it's okay because we will open another area. This is now we are in the printing side. Or maybe this printer is enough. So this is the first option. Let me go to the second option. Yes, and this one, yeah, this is a bigger one. This is the bigger one. It's a bit huge. It's very huge. I don't think we will be needing that much size correctly. Seeing it on the software screen in 3D is different than visualizing it in augmented reality like this. Now I can sense the size easily. This is all a printing area, and we have that crane so we can handle the prints easily, plus the forklift, so it won't be an issue. Plus the material supply with the crane and forklift can be done. So this is it. I hope this is enough.